Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is WooCommerce hosting and how it differs from web hosting. Without making any further delay, let's get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. Before we get into the WooCommerce hosting, let's check about the web hosting. By comparing both, we can understand the difference. Web hosting is a service that allows a website to be accessible on the internet. In simple terms, we put all our website files on the server to be accessed by worldwide global audience. For example, in the internet you can see the blogs, business sites, portfolios and small WordPress websites. This all comes under normal web hosting. Now see what is WooCommerce hosting and how it differs from normal web hosting. WooCommerce hosting is a specialized type of WordPress hosting, and the WordPress hosting is one of the type of web hosting. I know it's all same, but the features and the power it holds are different. WooCommerce is a free e-commerce plugin built for WordPress websites. It adds all the features you need to transform your website into a comprehensive online store. Let me explain here clearly. This can be a bit confusing because at a basic level, virtually all WordPress hosting is capable of running WooCommerce. If you can install WordPress on a host, you will be able to install WooCommerce because WooCommerce is just a plugin for WordPress. In shortly, WordPress manages your website's design and the content, and the WooCommerce manages your online store. WordPress is very easy to learn even for the beginners, but when the WordPress combines with the WooCommerce, the tough level will be increased to intermediate because we need to configure a lot of things for your online store like shipping and tax charges, everything. If you only need a blog or portfolio, use the WordPress. If you want to build an online store and to sell online, you can install the WooCommerce plugin on the WordPress. Now let's see the features of the WooCommerce hosting. WooCommerce plugin will be pre-installed in your hosting. Our WooCommerce hosting saves the setup time by automatically installing the WordPress and the WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce hosting comes with SSD and NVMe storage. This high-speed storage ensures faster product page loads and database queries compared to standard HTTP hosting. WooCommerce hosting offers server-side caching, built-in caching like Lightspeed or Supercacher, optimized to exclude cart and checkout pages to ensure live transaction data remains accurate while other pages load quickly. This is one of the major and important feature. CDN distributes your store's images and codes across global servers to reduce latency for international shoppers. In short, WooCommerce hosting is a WordPress hosting with added performance optimizations, features, and benefits that are specifically targeted to the WooCommerce users. I hope we are clear now in what is WooCommerce hosting and how it differs from WordPress hosting and from normal web hosting. If you have any doubts in this explanation, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. And please stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of the WooCommerce tutorial. In the episodes, we are going to see how to build a WooCommerce website from scratch and make it live. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And to get notified about our upcoming videos, please press the bell icon.